Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by selecting the photo you want to expand, open its folder or gallery, and tap once to highlight or select it. Once done, make sure the app you're using supports full-screen viewing. Built-in viewers and most photo apps do. If a thumbnail opens an editor by default, choose the viewer option instead so you can access full-screen controls. This first step reduces steps later and prevents accidental edits when your goal is simply to view the image at full size. Now move to the actual expansion. Double-click on desktop or double-tap on a touchscreen to trigger full screen in most viewers. This is fast and consistent. Alternatively, press F11 on Windows or Control-Command-F on Mac when the image window is focused. These shortcuts tell the system to hide Chrome and maximize the view. If those inputs don't work, look for the expand or full screen icon in the viewer toolbar and tap it. Doing this ensures the photo. With the image full screen, zoom in via pinch gestures or use the +/- keys to scale. You can also drag to pan once zoomed. To exit, press Escape on desktop or swipe down/tap the close icon on mobile. This restores normal interface. If full screen fails, make sure display scaling or accessibility zoom isn't interfering. Restart the photo app or relaunch the browser tab. If nothing helps, reboot the device to clear stuck UI layers and try the full screen process again.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.